Butter the pan, a simple guide to cooking expressions. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the English language, especially in cooking contexts. Butter the pan. Whether you're a budding chef or just curious about English idioms, this video will help you understand not just the literal meaning, but also how this phrase can be used in everyday English. Butter the pan quite simply means to spread a layer of butter on the surface of a cooking pan. This is usually done before cooking something like pancakes, eggs, or anything that might stick to the pan. It's a practical step in cooking, ensuring that food doesn't stick and cooks evenly. Understanding this phrase is crucial for those who are following English cooking recipes. Not buttering the pan can lead to food sticking or burning, which is a common mistake for beginners in cooking. It's a fundamental skill in the kitchen and a phrase you'll often encounter in cooking shows, recipes, and cooking classes. Interestingly, butter the pan can also be used metaphorically. In a broader sense, it can mean preparing or setting something up for a smooth process. For example, in a business context, buttering the pan might mean preparing all the necessary documents and resources before starting a project. This phrase, like many others in English, can vary slightly in different cultures. For instance, in some places, you might hear, "grease the pan," or "oil the pan." They all essentially mean the same thing but reflect the diversity in the English language across different regions. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the phrase, butter the pan. Remember, language is not just about literal meanings but also about understanding the context and cultural nuances. Happy cooking and language learning!